Lynden Aged Care is a standalone, not-for-profit residential aged care facility. Lynden's long-term goals really are to be a facility where people can see out the end of their life with as little stress as possible.
I have a lot of patients in residential care facilities, patients who are rural based, and a lot of patients with mobility problems, and these people are precisely the sorts of people who benefit from being able to consult via telehealth.
People who live in residential aged care generally don't cope with change at all. For a 15-minute consultation, there's a whole day for the resident and the family member who's going with them, and it's really nerve-wracking for them.
John has Parkinson's, and unfortunately he's lost the use of his legs completely. I always have to have an ambulance, and of course you have to the booking and making sure it's on time and everything. And then getting into some of the buildings is very difficult.
With the Parkinson's disease, you really have to manage your medications on time, otherwise the symptoms can be quite awful for them. The telemedicine has been fantastic. Microsoft Link is there on the screen.
The carers were able to give me a snapshot of John's day, and I was able to get a very clear sense of what John's problems were. Communication was real time, there was no delay in talking, and the video clarity was very, very effective.
When they'd finished the consultation, you turned it off, and there he was back home again.
With the NBN, faster broadband speeds will help make teleconsultations much more accessible. The government have provided significant financial incentives for practitioners and also provided item numbers that will be very useful in terms of defraying any technical costs that might arise. Extended home care for the elderly is an excellent initiative, and it would be great if we could see patients in their own home as well.
It's really provided a much better holistic care for the resident with much, much less trauma.
Yes, well, there's no way he can get home for a visit even.